Ovo je, moram priznati, iznenađenje. Ovo je izuzetno lijepo na svjetskom nivou. Bili smo neku večer, ugođaj je predivan i nije nam uopće žao što smo se ovdje pojavili. Mi smo konoba koja se bazira na vlastitom ulovu, znači naša je priča najprije ribarska, pa onda gastronomska. Suština naše ponude je da valoriziramo onu manje vrijednu ribu kao što su triljice, plava riba, srdoni, brudet, riblje iznutrice, eto tako, to su naši, ajmo ih nazvati tako, specijaliteti ili ona jela koja mi ispravljamo da bismo iskoristili na najbolji način sav naš ulov.
So I'm Sonny James.
And I'm Ryan Michano.
And all my people from everywhere in the world come to UMAC. It's the best place on earth, and the people are really nice. The food is amazing.
Food is good.
Yeah, so see you there. It's our first time in UMAC. We've been here in Croatia more often, but it's the first time here, and we feel really excited. We came in this afternoon and we saw some nice places. It's really nice here, so excited for tonight. It's my first time in a tennis thing, like tournament, like that I've been here, and that I connect like a party on it. It's nice, like, you know, that we can party with the people who sing all the games the whole day and just want to have fun. So, and everybody's in a good it's a good atmosphere. Everybody's happy, and we're looking forward to playing. So.
Yeah, we're in the same hotel as the players, so we're trying to get the players to the party as well. So.
Yeah.